Mayor, maganda yung talakayan natin kanina ah, kaya Ranara family. Ibang topic na naman, Mayor, no? Na-designate ng Anti-Terrorism Council sa pamamagitan ng ATC Resolution number 35 si Dr. Natividad Castro bilang isang terorista. Si Castro ay isa umanong human rights worker at community doctor na tumutulong sa mga lumad sa Mindanao. Ayon sa landmark ruling ng ATC Chair, Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin, dating Supreme Court Justice, Castro is involved in planning, training, preparing, and facilitating the commission of terrorism and recruitment to and membership in and providing material support to terrorist organizations or groups organized for the purpose of engaging in terrorism. Anong magiging comment mo dito, Mayor?
I would go along with the statement of Secretary Bersamin. Kilala ko siya at hindi naman siya he's a justice ito ng Supreme Court. Hindi ito basta-basta magbitaw ng mga gitong salita kung walang basis po. So, marami yan sila. Hindi lang isa, dalawa. Marami yan sila, doktor, may mga abogado pa. At saka, marami rin nandyan sa bukid at tumutulong sila, ginagamot nila, wala mang problema yan. The way of, para mapalapit sila doon sa mga terorista at gumagana yung prinsipyo nila na ito nga, gustong pabagsakin ang gobyerno. And they have been at it for 53 years now. Kaya dyan ako sa kanila, Pastor. What really angers me is yung realization na wala silang na-achieve. Not even conquering a barangay for hanging into it for 24 hours. That never happened. They just spread terror there. When the soldiers are gone, sila naman ang bumaba doon sa mga barangay at tinatakot nila. That has always been the modus operandi ever since. And this has been going on for 53 years. Kaya I would join Supreme Court Justice Bersamin